Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to connect your phone to a Passat CC. First, ensure your phone's Bluetooth is on and discoverable. Next, access your car's infotainment system. Go to the Bluetooth menu and select Search for New Device. Once your phone appears, select it and confirm the pairing code displayed on both screens. This establishes a secure wireless connection for calls and audio. For a wired connection, find the USB port, typically in the center console or glove box. Use a quality USB cable to connect your phone. On the car's infotainment system, select USB as your audio source. This connection not only charges your device, but also enables direct media playback, offering clear sound and reliable power delivery. If your Passat CC has an auxiliary input, you can use a 3.5mm audio cable. Locate the AUX jack, often near the USB port. Plug one end into your phone and the other into the car. Then, select AUX as the audio source on your infotainment system. You can adjust the volume using both your phone and the car's controls. If you encounter connection issues, first check that both your phone and the car have adequate battery. Try restarting your phone and the car's infotainment system. Sometimes, deleting previous Bluetooth pairings from both devices and starting fresh resolves problems. For specific model details, always refer to your Passat CC owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.